YouTube, what is up? It's been a bit, guys. I hope everybody's doing good out in virus land. I guess real quick, just been busy. I'm doing fine, but with all the crap going on with my with the virus stuff, my businesses have been pretty hectic, and it's just taken all of my time and mental energy, and I haven't had time to do YouTube, but I miss you guys, and I'm starting to kind of settle back in, and I am ready to do some videos. Today I'm going to go rip with John from Rock Blocks. I haven't really ridden much since I rode with the Full Throttle guys, just been too busy. But anyways, yeah, just hope everybody's doing good. I'm excited to throw up a couple videos. Hopefully we can get some racing going again this year. It'd be awesome. But today I wanted to talk about some exhaust on the old XRC. So, been still loving this machine. Everything has just been awesome on it. Man, I can't say enough about it. It's been a blast. I still just like reminisce from my time in Baja. It was so fun pre-running down there. But when I went to Baja, I was able to put this Vivid Racing, it basically replaces your catalytic converter. It's like your downpipe or whatever. It's a Valvetronic dump tube. And I really like the exhaust. You get rid of that cat and you get your electronic cutout. So pretty badass. I like that because you're rolling with your wife, you want it to be quiet or whatever, you can just have the stock exhaust do its thing. And then you can push one button and have your dump tube and have kind of wide open, just crazy mode, which is extremely fun. And I feel like it gives it a little boost in power too. It could just be me, but I feel like the butt dyno is telling me that it's got a little more power when I have the dump tube open. But so we're gonna go rip with John. You'll get to hear this thing ripping today. We're gonna go out to the desert and just do a fun fast ride. I think it's gonna be awesome. But let's start it up. It was really easy install, real straightforward. I mean, basically just pulling off your old downpipe, and then you just got a little bit of wiring. You got like a little relay. You got to go to your battery, which is really close, and then you just got to run your wiring to your switch. So super simple. So my switch. So my switch is right there. Like I said, it's easy. Probably, I don't know, an hour or two. I took my time, but it is not bad at all. Let's start her up. So there's your stock exhaust. So pretty badass. So yeah, anyways, it's a lot of fun. Really simple mod, and I definitely like that you still retain your stock exhaust when you want it. It's freaking cool. So yeah, check it out. Vivid Racing Agency Power dump tube. I'll link it if you guys want it. Those guys at Vivid have been really cool to me. I should have done this video a long time ago, but it's really high quality, clean exhaust. And I can't wait to go out and rip today. And I miss posting videos. So yeah, hopefully we'll get some new ones up, and I'm excited to have fun this summer. Hopefully it's a good 2020. At least the rest of it's a good 2020, I hope so. All right, guys, take care, stay safe, go out and rip, and enjoy this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Whoa.